Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an AceMagic laptop computer. I'm going to show you how to factory reset it. So before we get going, make sure your computer is on at your desktop and that it's plugged in. If during the reset process your computer loses power because your battery dies, your operating system could become permanently corrupted. You may not be able to reset anymore and you may have to reinstall. So make sure that it's plugged in. Okay, so from your desktop right here, we're going to go down to your search bar and type in reset. The best match comes up here, reset this PC under system settings. We'll click on that. On this next screen, we're going to choose this option, reset this PC. Going to click here. And now you have a couple options. The top option that says keep my files, that says remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. The second option on the bottom says remove everything, which removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So if you do have data on here you don't want to lose, you're going to select that top option. For this video, I'm going to select the bottom option. This is not my personal computer. We're getting it ready for resale. We want to delete everything. One word of caution, if you do choose that first option because you want to save data, don't count on this saving your data. It should, but sometimes you are going to lose stuff you don't want to lose. Back up your data before doing a factory reset if you have data you don't want to lose. But again, for this video, I'm going to select this bottom option. Then it gets started. And I'm just going to confirm it here, hit next. And now it starts going. I'm going to confirm it again because it doesn't want to be responsible for you losing all your data. So I'm just going to confirm again and hit reset. And there it goes. So now I'm going to select yes for English. And some of you may not have access to your mouse, your trackpad, so I'm using a plug-in USB mouse, just so you know if you're having trouble getting your trackpad to move around. I'm going to select yes for US. And your options may be different depending on where you are. I'm just taking you through so you know what options to expect. I'm going to hit yes again. I want to add a second keyboard layout. I'm going to skip this. TNCs, I'll accept them. Who's going to use this device? I'm just going to name it AceMagic. I'm going to skip the password part. I'm not going to put a password again because this is for resale. You guys can do what you want. I'm going to hit next to skip that. I'm going to turn all these off. I generally don't like giving people my data for free. So I'll turn all these off. You can do what you want, but that's just something that I do as a habit. I'll accept that. And now it'll finish up. And there we are back at our desktop. So that's the video. That's how you factory reset an AceMagic computer. If for some reason the factory reset fails, if it doesn't succeed, if you get some sort of error message, check out the FAQs below in the description first. It could save you some time getting an answer. But if you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. But again, if your reset does fail for any reason, then your operating system may be too corrupted to allow a reset. You may need to try a new install. I will have a video link above, also below in the description, showing you how to perform a new install of Windows 11 on an AceMagic computer. That assumes that your solid-state drive is healthy. If the new install fails, just like the reset fails, you may be looking at a bad drive. In that case, you may want to replace your solid-state drive and install Windows 11 to the new one. There will also be a video link below in the description how to get inside an AceMagic computer to replace your solid-state drive. But I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to like and share if it was, if you think it can help someone else. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer tutorials, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any future computer questions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.